Are you ready, Tasha?
Ready.
What is the name of your first book?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. Well, let's see what we can do.
Ram.
Hold on a second. What does it say?
Cat.
Cat. Okay.
Cat.
Cat.
Sat.
What is the first sound?
Rat.
Rat. Good job. Okay. It's still long, but we can do it. One word at a time, okay? Cat. Can. Okay.
Pet.
Okay. Tap.
Rat.
Okay, cat can tap rat. Alright, next page. Cat.
Cat. Ran.
Cat ran. Okay. We're halfway done. Good job. Alright. Let's see what we can do here.
Ran.
Rat. Ran, right?
Ran.
Ran. Good girl. Cat.
Ran.
Good job. Okay, be careful. What does this say? What's the sound of a W? What does W say? What? This is exclamation point, so. Okay. What?
What?
Wow, good job. Last page.
Rat.
Rat. Sat. Okay, be careful. What does the O say? What does N say? Okay. On. Okay. Good job! Tasha, you just read your first book. Good job. Give me 5. Give me 5.
Yes. One more 5.
Good job.
Okay.
That's enough.